What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to solve one trigonometric equation, which is 3 tan squared theta plus 4 tan theta minus 4 equals to 0 when theta is changing from 0 to 2 pi. So here A is 3, B is 4 and C is negative 4. I need to use trigonometric, basically quadratic equation and quadratic formula. Negative b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That's going to give me negative 4 plus minus 4 squared 16 minus 4 times 3 times negative 4 over 2 times 3. Then you have negative 4 plus minus 16 plus 48 over 6, which is going to be negative 4 plus minus square root of 64 over 6. So that will be negative 4 plus minus 8 over 6. So we have negative 4 plus 8 over 6, negative 4 minus 8 over 6. So we have 4 over 6 and we have negative 12 over 6. Here is going to be negative 2, this one is going to be 2 over 3. So tan theta is going to be equal to 2 over 3, or tan theta equals to negative 2. So theta is going to be tan inverse of 2 over 3, which is 34 degrees. That's quadrant 1. We know tan is positive in quadrant 3 as well. So this is going to be 180 plus 34. It's going to be 214 degrees. And the other one, tan inverse of negative 2. That's going to give me, since it's negative, the answer is going to be in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 4. So we have 180 minus 63, 180 minus 63, which is going to be 117, and 360 minus 63, that's going to be 297 degrees. So we have 4 answers. One of them is 34 degrees, 117 degrees, 214 degrees, 297 degrees. So these are going to be the 4 answers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding trigonometric equations, trigonometric identities, and other topics in math and chemistry and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.